everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8, where I am sharing a recipe I like to call the pot of life. This dish is a burst of colors and flavors. It is packed with ingredients that not only nourish your body, but also reflect the vibrancy we want in our lives. Take a minute. Imagine eating the way you want your body and soul to feel. Healthy, strong, and full of energy. This pot of life features coriander, which detoxifies your body and supports digestion. Kale is a superfood powerhouse, loaded with vitamin A, C, and K, and a great source of calcium for strong bones. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene for glowing skin and sharp vision. Purple cabbage, an antioxidant-rich vegetable that fights inflammation and supports your heart health. Baked beans, a plant-based protein that keeps you full and energized. Bell peppers, vibrant and full of vitamin C to boost your immunity. Irish potatoes, a comforting source of complex carbs that fuel your day. If you notice, I said this pot of life. That means I have various pot of life recipes that I spring up. What it entails is what health benefits is in the pot that comes to you. I like to start basically stir frying before I add any liquid if need be. Today's recipe has liquid introduced in it. Are you someone who is deliberate about what you eat, or anything just goes? Really? There's a lot of work to be done there. Anyways, I like to throw in my peppers and my garlic as they are whole without chopping it sometimes. That's because I like the flavors to release as I am frying. I introduce black pepper and white peppercorns. Then I continued to bring in the rest of the ingredients, stir frying as I add ingredients. This meal is quite easy to make. It's just basically assembling your ingredients and bringing them in one after the other. I just added a broth. Seasoning cube is optional, but I like to add a bit of it, just a little, not much, of seasoning cubes. Then comes in the baked beans. At this point, I stir and bring in the potato. Now, this Irish potato can come in two ways. You can either introduce it at you can either introduce it from the beginning when you're stir frying the onions and carrots, or you bring it towards the end. It depends on what you want to achieve when it comes to taste. Because I am adding liquid, I decided not to bring the potato from the beginning. After stir frying it and achieving a grill potato, by the time you introduce water, which is our meat stock, it becomes soggy. So that's why I introduced the potato at the end. Coriander just finishes everything, brings all of these flavors together. Eating like this is about more than just the nutrients. It's about intentionally choosing foods that give you life, joy, and strength. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking to add a little more color and health to their meals. Plus, it's so easy and fun to make. Let this pot of life inspire you to embrace healthier eating. It's not just a recipe, trust me. It's a reminder that we have the power to create meals that truly nourishes us. Body, mind, and spirit. I hope you'll try it out and feel the vibrancy it brings to your plate and your day. Let's cook, celebrate life, and keep this festive season full of energy and love. That's all I have for you today on Vlogmas Day 8. I hope I'll see you on the next vlog. God bless you. Bye.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are